Have you ever wondered if there are places on Earth that seem too unreal to exist? Our world is brimming with sights that defy our understanding of reality. These are places characterized by extraordinary natural phenomena, landscapes that seem plucked from a fantasy novel, or architectural wonders that challenge our perception. They're places that make you question what's real and what's not. Places that truly are the gateways to unreality. Join us as we count down to the most unreal place on Earth. At number 5, we have the Rainbow Mountains of China. Nestled within the Zhangye Dangxia Landform Geological Park, these mountains are a testament to the power and beauty of natural geological processes. Now you may be wondering, how did these mountains come to be painted in such vibrant hues? The answer lies millions of years in the past. Over time, layers of different mineral and sandstone deposits were gradually compressed into the mountains we see today. Each layer of mineral deposit contributes to the rainbow-like appearance of the mountains, with colors ranging from deep reds and oranges to greens and blues. But the story doesn't end there. The role of weathering and erosion cannot be overlooked. Over centuries, wind and water have sculpted these mountains into the fantastical shapes we see today, with peaks and valleys that seem to ripple like waves across the landscape. The result? A surreal panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see, a landscape that seems more like a dream than reality. It's like stepping into a painting, where every brushstroke is a testament to the slow, steady artistry of nature itself. The Rainbow Mountains of China offer a vivid example of how time, pressure, and the elements can transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. They stand as a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the unexpected, in the dramatic interplay of earth and elements. Indeed, a geological wonder that looks like it's straight out of a painter's palette. Next in line, we have the fiery pits of the door to hell in Turkmenistan, a spectacle that seems to have been plucked right out of the pages of a science fiction novel. This burning gas crater is a testament to the unpredictable nature of our planet. Now you might be wondering how this fiery abyss came into existence. Well, it's a tale that takes us back to 1971. Soviet geologists were drilling in the area looking for oil when they stumbled upon a natural gas pocket. The ground under the drilling rig collapsed, creating a gaping hole that was 70 meters wide and 20 meters deep. Fearing the release of poisonous gases, the geologists set the crater on fire, hoping it would burn out in a few weeks. But here we are, more than 50 years later, and the door to hell is still ablaze, its eerie glow visible for miles around. The locals have their own tales to tell about this fiery pit. They call it the door to hell, a name that perfectly captures the foreboding nature of this phenomenon. According to local legends, the crater is a gateway to the underworld, a fiery pit where demons dwell. Whether you believe in these tales or not, there's no denying the sense of awe that this burning crater inspires. Now, imagine standing on the edge of this fiery abyss, feeling the heat on your face, watching the flames dance against the dark night sky. It's a sight that's both terrifying and mesmerizing. It's a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. It's a spectacle that's both otherworldly and deeply rooted in the realities of our planet. So, if you ever find yourself in the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan, make sure to visit the door to hell. It's a sight that you won't soon forget. A fiery spectacle that's both terrifying and mesmerizing. At number 3, we have the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. This iconic spot is famed for its unique hexagonal rock formations, a sight so extraordinary that it has captured the imagination of people for centuries. The Giant's Causeway is a mystical landscape of approximately 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, the result of an ancient volcanic eruption. These columns, some towering as high as 12 meters, are predominantly hexagonal, though some have 4, 5, 7, or even 8 sides. This stunning natural mosaic forms a walkway just like a giant staircase disappearing into the sea. Not only does the Giant's Causeway boast a striking physical presence, but it also holds a rich tapestry of folklore and legends. The most famous of these legends tells the tale of the Irish giant Finn McCool. As the story goes, Finn built the causeway as stepping stones to Scotland so he wouldn't get his feet wet. He was going to challenge his Scottish rival, a giant named Benandonner. The stories vary at this point, but they all agree that in the end, it was Finn's cunning, rather than his strength, that won the day. Now, let's delve into the science behind this unique formation. The hexagonal columns of the Giant's Causeway were formed about 60 million years ago during the Paleogene period. A period of intense volcanic activity spewed out a mass of molten basalt, which upon contact with the air began to cool and contract. This rapid cooling caused the lava to crack, creating what we now see as long polygonal columns. Despite the scientific explanation, it's hard not to feel a sense of wonder when standing on the Giant's Causeway, as if you're stepping on the remnants of a bridge built by giants. The causeway serves as a reminder that sometimes nature is the most skilled sculptor, creating artworks on a scale that leaves us in awe. A testament to the intriguing ways nature can sculpt the earth. Second in our countdown is the underwater waterfall in Mauritius. This phenomenal sight is not a waterfall in the traditional sense, but an incredible optical illusion that leaves viewers in awe. It's a spectacle that seems to defy logic, a waterfall beneath the ocean surface. How can that be? Well, the answer lies in the unique geography of the area. The illusion of an underwater waterfall is created by the movement of sand and silt deposits, which are swirled around by the ocean's currents. These deposits plunge down the coastal shelf into the abyss, creating a cascading effect that resembles a waterfall. But remember, it's only an illusion. There's no actual water plummeting down into a watery abyss. This phenomenon is most noticeable from an aerial view, where the azure blue ocean appears to drop off into a cascading waterfall. From the air, the dramatic shift in color from light blue to a deep indigo gives the impression of a steep underwater drop. This is the result of the sand and silt deposits moving and settling down the coastal shelf. The underwater waterfall is located off the southwestern tip of Mauritius, a small island nation in the Indian Ocean, known for its stunning beaches, lagoons, and reefs. This illusion is just one of the many natural wonders that make Mauritius a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Moreover, Mauritius sits on an ocean shelf that abruptly drops about 4,000 meters into the abyss. This sudden change in depth creates the perfect conditions for the sand and silt to flow down, creating this breathtaking optical illusion. So, the next time you see a picture of the underwater waterfall, remember, it's not a scene from a fantasy movie or a trick of the camera. It's a natural wonder, an optical illusion caused by the movement of sand and silt deposits. It's a testament to how nature can play with our perception, creating visually stunning phenomena that challenge our understanding of the world. A stunning illusion that truly challenges our perception, and the most unreal place on Earth is the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia. Welcome to a place where Earth's reality seems to bend and distort, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of breathtaking. A vestige of prehistoric lakes, the Salar de Uyuni is not just any salt flat. It's the largest in the world, spanning over 4,000 square miles. But it's not merely its size that astounds. During the rainy season, a thin layer of water transforms this vast salt desert into an enormous mirror, reflecting the sky so flawlessly it's hard to tell where the sky ends and the ground begins. Imagine standing at the center of this enormous mirror, surrounded by a perfect reflection of the sky, a 360-degree panorama of clouds, sun, and endless blue. It's like walking on a cloud, or perhaps even standing at the edge of the world. The horizon vanishes, and everything merges into a seamless blend of sky and earth. It's this ethereal beauty that makes the Salar de Uyuni a photographer's dream and a bucket list destination for travelers around the world. But the Salar de Uyuni isn't just a feast for our eyes. It's also a crucial resource for our modern world. Beneath its surreal surface lies the world's largest reserve of lithium, a key component in rechargeable batteries. This makes Bolivia a critical player in the global push towards renewable energy and electric vehicles. And yet, despite its economic importance, the Salar de Uyuni remains a place of untouched beauty. It stands as a testament to the power of nature, a place where the mundane becomes extraordinary, where a simple salt flat becomes a mirror to the sky, and where the ground beneath our feet merges with the heavens above. A place where the sky and the ground merge, leaving us in awe of its celestial beauty. The Salar de Uyuni truly is an unreal place on Earth,